to Ober Mountain ETT Squad. We're going to take you on the tram all the way up to the mountain, and then we're going to do the chairlift. So we're going to take the aerial tram right now. We're going to explore Ober Mountain, and then we got 2 coaster ride tickets and a bear wristband. Let's go. And look, we got Frosty. More Frosty snowmans right here.
If you are scared of height, my advice, pretty good one. Don't look down.
In 2001, the computerized operating system was replaced and modernized. New tram cabins were built in Switzerland by CWA Constructions and installed in May of 2007. The new trams are made of the same high-grade aluminum used in the aerospace industry and offer more viewing area than the original trams. They are 2 of the most modern trams in America, each able to carry 120 passengers and an operator. To your left is the entrance to Great Smoky Mountains National Park, the most visited national park in America, with over 10 million visitors each year.
Alright, y'all, we call that the doll house. That's an exact replica of the Barbie dream house. The small one right below it, that's Ken's house after the divorce.
Tower number 5 is our highest tower at 2,800 feet above sea level and 1,500 feet above Gatlinburg.
Ready to go see some bears? I'm ready for bears.
Don't pet them.
Don't pet them? Don't bite? Now the bear encounter. Welcome to our Smoky Mountain Wildlife Encounter. I'm so excited to see all these bears. I love animals. Look, they got a little bear right there. He's tiny. North American black bear, ambassador of the Smokies. And look at the baby cub. Oh, I love to see some baby cubs. Okay, we have Holly and we got Sheaf. They're so sweet. Look at Holly and Sheaf. They're sleeping right now. Still snow, sweetie. That's real snow. What a beauty. Just went up there. What a sweetheart. Beautiful. That is a white raccoon.
Owls are up there.
Oh, it's so pretty. You see him right there. He's staring right at us. We got some cute skunks, 3 of them. They got their cozy bed, their blankie. And now they're eating, they're starving, look. That's a cute one right over here. See this one on the left? Oh, his bed is cozy. Gorgeous owl. And there's another one up in here at the top. He's hiding. You see the little flying squirrel? He's so little and so cute. Look at his little bed. He's like a hamster. Yeah, where's Bullwinkle? He's adorable. He's getting all cozy. Look at him. First snow, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, up here in the mountain of Ober Mountain. Nocturnal house bears, otters, bobcats, birds of prey, bees, and red fox. So look, they sell bobcats. We saw a bobcat. We saw skunks. We even saw, it was a white raccoon.
Albino raccoon.
Yeah, albino raccoon. I call him white raccoon. And then bear. The bears were cute. Peanut butter, right? What was his name? BJ? Peanut? Peanut butter. Peanut. So cute. So you can get all your little animals right here. This is so cute. Look, it says cozy. It's a plaid blankie. This is good to bring with you anywhere you go, right?
Looks like your
Looks like the blanket I have at the house.
jammies.
Yeah, my jammies, yeah. But I like the way it says cozy. Preparing for the snow. We're going to be there Saturday. Snow tubing.
Oh, come on out. Just wait behind this yellow line right there for 1 second.
Where's the Alpine? Oh, yeah, the Alpine slide. But that's closed this time, right? Because of the ice. I think you would have a moment like Christmas Vacation when he's going down the hill. Super fast. Lightning speed. It's a nice mountain fresh air, isn't it? So healthy. Where's the squirrel? I didn't see it. Oh, look, he's right there. Look at him. He's chubby. Squirrel moment.
Squirrel.
What a sweetheart. Hey, squirrel. What are you looking for, some acorns?
Burying a nut.
He's a chubby one. Sorry, Alpine slide closed due to the weather. Oh, way up there. Super high. I'm loving this mountain fresh air. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, it's so gorgeous out here. And look at the snow. The first snow for Tennessee. And this goes way up there. Super high. And right next to another chairlift. And that's another thing. They're going to start doing mountain biking soon. I don't know when, but it's coming. Coming soon, mountain biking.
Probably a trail right
Actually,
there.
like the mountain biking in Utah. Yep, that'll probably be a trail right there. Look at all the snow. Welcome to Mount Harrison. Elevation 3,590 feet. Ober Mountain. Actually, look, Lovey, and all the leaves. Look, and it's mixed with ice and snow. There's ice here. All the fall leaves. What's your head? Like,
You'll
like
be
a
cold.
heater.
Yeah.
What's the name of the band?
Mountain Grass Band.
Mountain Grass Band. So you guys are the Mountain Grass Band.
Yeah.
How about that little guy behind you?
He's Carmen left him.
That's
Carmen
Earl.
left
That's
him?
Earl.
That's Earl
That's
Scruggs.
Earl. What happened to Earl?
Earl Scruggs.
He died.
He died, Earl?
He's still kicking and picking. Watch this.
He's kind of like Earl.
You'll think you're on the Grand Ole Opry in a minute. Welcome to Rocky Top, y'all.
Thank you, Angela, for helping us sing Rocky Top. It's her favorite song.
Love this song. Hello. Hello. The snow down there is turning into ice. Ice and then it's melting, right? And it's so cold. We are freezing right now. This place is unbelievable. Look, there's some greenery right there.
Mine too.
Hi. You're having fun, aren't you? Look, there's a bear.
There's Bigfoot.
There's a mama bear and a baby cub, 3 cubs. And look at the skies, how blue, just gorgeous. So heavenly. Look at the skies on the left side. You hear the birds? And the air is so fresh. Cold, fresh air. We're breathing in cold, fresh air. Tennessee turkeys. Like their entertainment back there. So excited for this Saturday, Ober Mountain. We're gonna do snow tubing and look all the snow here. Right now we're gonna do the what are you gonna do? The coaster.
Mountain coaster.
Mountain coaster. This is so cool. I don't even want to touch it because I don't even have my mittens on. But look all the snow.
So this is where it's at.
This is where it's at.
Guess they're gonna shape it.
I love the crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. That is so cool, huh? We're in the Antarctica, or the Arctic.
Dun, 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 dun.
Look, there's Ober. This is my first coaster in the snow. Look,
It's a snow coaster.
snow coaster.
Yeah, you'll see.
Actually,
Get on about that.
No,
There we go. Now, it just goes over you.
it goes over.
Yeah, it goes over you. Now the other seatbelt's here, and it goes over him.
Cool. My first time. We didn't even go in Utah, but Gatlinburg, first time, Ober Mountain. Lovey, do you fit there? Your legs? You're good? Just don't go fast, Lovey, all right? Don't go fast. This is my first. Ooh, it's cold. I'm so cold. Whoa.
nice work.
Yeah.
Alright. Pull back on your handles real quick. There we go, just like that. Pull up on your seatbelt real quick. Pull up on your seatbelt, sir.
Yeah, make sure we're strapped in here. This is my first time. First time ever doing a coaster.
Thumbs up for the camera.
Say bye to ETT squad too.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go up high. A lot of snow
Alright,
too.
ready? Push them down for me.
To the right.
This is so much fun so far. Here to next sign, 180 feet. coaster at Ober Mountain. Loved it. Best experience, ETT squad. I had such a good time. Loved it. I thought I was going to be scared, and it wasn't that bad. So yeah, Ober Mountain Tram schedule rates: adult $22, child $20, and it stays open until 5. Is it 5:30? You do the chairlift, coaster, wildlife encounters till 4:30. Yeah, she's beautiful. It's a he?
Yeah, it's a boy.
It's a boy?
Yes.
He's handsome. What a sweetheart.
Get out. Come here.
All right, everybody, listen up. On the right-hand side, you will see that mountain.
Are you okay?
That is Mount LeConte. That's 6,500 feet in elevation.
What?
On the very top of the mountain is off-the-grid lodge that you can stay in.
Mommy.
And when I say off-the-grid, that's what I mean. There's no power whatsoever up there. Nothing. Everything's candles and fire. You cannot drive up to it. You have to drive halfway up the mountain, park your car, and hike 5 miles up to it. Before you do that, though, you got to have a year in advance reservation. All right, everybody. If you take a gander to the left over there, you will see a foundation with a bridge going to it.
Yeah.
There's a little white truck over there, too. Did everybody see that?
Oh, look.
Everybody see that? All right. That used to be a 14,000 square foot log cabin. The guy built a house, it's a $7 million home. He run a Ponzi scheme up here, stole everybody's money, and that's what he spent it on. That log cabin. Well, he got caught. They sent him to federal prison. They put the house in probate to try to get money back for the people up here. Well, didn't nobody give up the money, so Shaquille O'Neal come down here and bought that house for $2 million. He didn't even get a chance to stay in it because it burned up in the fire. Yeah, sure he had insurance. I'm sure y'all pretty much done with Gatlinburg today, with us today. So the tickets you bought are good tomorrow too. So if you didn't get a chance to do everything you wanted to do up here today, come back early in the morning. That first tram up's 9:40. You should be able to do whatever you want.
We're gonna get a glazed donut. Look how yummy they look. We'll take a glazed donut and a cinnamon cake donut. We had these last night, cinnamon cake donuts. We got the chocolate, rainbow, and coconut. Got my donut. Donut fire guy. Yum yum.